Do you find a bunch of people behind me pulling the rope? What do you think they're doing? You're right, they're doing the fishing. Yes, this morning I'm in Shangamugam beach to experience a different way of fishing. Come, let's experience. What is the name of this type of fishing, but it is called as a traditional fishing here. I checked with them and they themselves does not know what is the name, but they said lots of effort required, lots of teamwork required. So I'm comparing this type of fishing, with the teamwork, or you can say design thinking. There's lots of thinking come in before they frame this. So what do? They'll actually build the rope in the sense like they'll tie all the ropes and ensure the rope goes at least for 1 kilometer one way I'm talking about, which means it should be 2,000 meters of rope what they're trying 2-3 days before this activity. Then the one end of the rope somebody pulled it here in the shore, and you see the catamaran behind. The catamaran will carry around 7 people, so they will travel to the sea with the one end of the rope. They'll travel until 1 kilometer or 1.5 kilometers. Then there will be a net attached to the rope. The net will be dropped inside the sea, then they'll come back. The other end of the rope will be given to the other bunch of people who are standing in the shore. So these people will wait for 30 minutes, then they'll start pulling. Lots of effort, lots of teamwork. I also tried doing this, and the entire activity will take almost 3-4 hours. So see this, what is happening. Come, let's pull the rope and help them. There's a lovely fisherman song coming for you. It's not so easy to pull that rope. Definitely you need lots of technique to pull that rope. What do they do is, they'll hold both the hand, they'll not move the hand, and they'll just walk behind. So now we're going to see the very important activity. As soon as the net is very nearer to the shore, two fishermen will get into the sea and they will make some noise. What they're telling us is, that noise will attract the fish. Example of teamwork. Effort of almost 20 people, non-stop. What an energy. Hats up to them. Pulled the rope. Let's see our catch. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, please subscribe, and you can also share, like and comments. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.